What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrissy Nicole back with another video. Before we jump into things, if you have not done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget the bell so that you're notified when new content comes your way. Now, today's video is all about my favorite time of the month, which is BoxyCharm time. Now, I like to demo and try on my products so you can see, how they're used. If you want to watch me demo this month's products, keep watching. So, this month's BoxyCharm theme is Sunshine. So every box gets one of these little postcards, and they outline the products, the benefits, the details, and the price. So the first product that we're going to jump into is the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defiance Booster. So this is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. This retails for $135. So they say to mix it with your moisturizer after cleansing your skin. Now, unfortunately, the next product in the box I cannot use, only because they sent me too light of a shade, but it is the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precision Pencil. They sent the shade Taupe, which is not going to work on these. This is a long wear, break resistant, waterproof eyebrow pencil formulated to be extra hard, designed for buildable payoff, so you can lay a color with confidence to achieve any custom brow look. It retails for $22. I like Kat Von D brow products. Unfortunately, it's just the wrong shade, so I'm gonna go do my brows and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my brows and my base off camera. And the next product that we're gonna jump into from July's base box is the Ace Beauté Blushed in Paradise palette. This Blushed in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much loved Paradise collection. 4 blush shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color. This retails for $30. So I was thinking, since this box didn't have an eyeshadow palette, that I would use this on my eyes. So I'm probably honestly just gonna use like these 2 shades, but let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna take that last shade right there and just pat that all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take that shade and just blend it out. And I'm gonna use the same brush because why not? So the next item in the box is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray from Chiate London. You can set and refresh your makeup with Chiate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow all over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. This retails for $22. Oh my God. That coconut smells so good, girl. Okay, so the next and last product we are going to use from this box is the Cream Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter. This cushion highlighter is a luscious hydrating formula that gives skin a beautiful and ethereal glow. Retails for 20 bucks. So I'm guessing if it says cushion, it's not like loose, right? This is fucking pretty. Girl, that's pretty. So let's see what this is about. Oh, okay. It's got a little... Well, that's different. Okay, so it's like... You remember the Dream Mousse foundation from Maybelline back in the day? It's like that. So I guess you're gonna take your little sponge. I'm gonna take my sponge because I don't really like these. So I'm gonna use my sponge and just dab in there. And okay, so first of all, y'all see that little glow? It's got some pink in there. Okay. Okay. Can y'all see it? I mean, it's kind of subtle, but it's kind of not. It's like pink. What's the shade? Rose Gold Glow. Okay, I like that color. This is different. I thought it was gonna be like a compact, like with a brush. This is different. A cushion highlighter. Okay. I mean, it's very subtle. It's very subtle. I'm gonna go back in with our coconut spray one more time. Lashes and lips, and we'll be right back. I hope you guys like this video. I want to thank you for sticking through it with me. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time,